Hey guys, it's Peter Nukasani, and today I wanted to make a quick video talking about one thing, one little thing to focus on or think about that's really helpful in the long run is actually banking relationships. Banking is one of those things that is something that you have to do, and like meanings opening up a checking account or whatever to run your business. It's one of the first foundational things that we do. But another thing to think about that I was kind of looking back and reflecting upon is banking relationships, right? So you usually have a different few types of banks, right? You have the national large chain banks, like Chase or whatever, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, and then you have your local regional banks. And today I want to focus on, regardless of whatever banking or bank that you use, is to develop those relationships because especially, a lot of the guys that are doing larger land deals know how important it is to have great relationships, like the people doing big subdivide projects in land. And even if you're not doing large subdivide deals where you need a ton of banking relationships right now, it still helps to plant those seeds. And yeah, national banks are kind of like restricted on what they can do, but in the US, whether for the better or the worse, like a lot of things run on freaking credit. So even things like business credit cards can be massively helpful. They actually really helped our land business when we were first starting out. Just having good relationships. When you walk into the bank, your banker should know you. There's one bank that I've been going for many, many years, and almost everybody at the bank, they know you, they know me when I walk in, right? It's a local branch, and I just go there, and knowing people, the banks that, help you know about your business is super helpful. And even when you need a favor or like, you need some assistance, you get better service. So yeah, definitely investing into good banking relationships, whether it be national banks or, local banks, is really helpful. And for the simple things like business credit, credit cards, and all that good stuff, it really helps.